This is a 2008 Honda Fit, and it is the second cheapest car on my lot. Yeah, just kidding, guys. I'm not going to do a real parody of them. It's going to be a relatively short video, as there is not much to talk about. Wow, legroom isn't bad, and oh my, neither is the headroom. And I can sit behind myself. Maybe there's a reason why they call it the Fit. I should put the key away. Ah, there is no center console. My arm is making the panel squeak. This bolster squeaks too. Oh, there's nothing to even do here. You know what? For the hell of it, let's do the button test. Let's turn it on. I keep forgetting we don't have push button start here. You just get this basic fob. Oh wow, it doesn't even have the Honda logo on it. That's crazy. Alright, well, I don't do too many of these sub $10,000 cars. I did the PT Cruiser. This definitely feels better than that. I would hope so. Materials are going to get kind of a low score here. It's all hard plastics, but the texture I feel could be worse. I've seen some hard plastics in cars with really nasty looking textures, whereas this is at least smoothed out. This has at least some kind of like sporty-ish looking design, like it has a perforated look, if that makes any sense. Honda's big on perforated steering wheels right here, so I feel like the materials could be worse. Again, not expecting it to be great. Cloth manual seats. I'm going to give it a 3 out of 10 for materials. I think that's fair. As far as fit and finish, it actually doesn't do too bad. There's a couple extremely minor squeaks, but nothing too bad. There's no twisty center console because, well, not a center console lid because there is no center console lid. There's no overhead console. There's not a whole lot to squeak in here. I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10 for fit and finish. So there you go. 8 out of 10 fit and finish, 3 out of 10 for materials. Let me know what you guys think. This is one of those interesting cars you can pick up for $5,000, $6,000, $7,000. It's reliable, cheap transportation. It's got enough space. There's really not much to really say about it other than it's a perfectly good car. It doesn't have a whole lot of swag, but you don't need it if you're in this price point. It's economical transportation. So yeah, I'll see you guys next video. Don't forget to check out the Amazon affiliate links. Helps me out a little bit. I'll see you guys next video. Peace.